Hey everyone, I'll show you step by step how to connect WhatsApp on your laptop or computer. First, open your laptop browser and type WhatsApp Web in Google Search. Open the first website. You'll see a QR code on the screen. Don't worry, this is what will scan with your phone. Now, open WhatsApp on your phone. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner if you're on Android, or go to Settings if you're on iPhone. Select Linked Devices, and then tap on Link a Device. Point your phone's camera at the QR code showing on your laptop screen. Loading may take a few minutes to load your chats. Boom! Your WhatsApp is now connected to your laptop. You can send and receive messages and download your pictures, files, etc. right from your computer. And that's it. Super easy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.